Carpentry is a useful skill for homeowners who want to perform basic repairs and maintenance tasks, and for many, it's a relaxing hobby. Whether you've tackled dozens of projects over the years or want to try your hand at a basic woodworking project, you need the right tools for the job. There's a basic set of tools required to get started, but with so many well-regarded, and not so well-regarded, brands out there, it can be hard to figure out which hammer or circular saw is the best for your needs. We created this buying guide to highlight the best options in each category across brands so you can build a core collection or upgrade what you already have. From basic handheld instruments to whirring power saws, these are the best carpentry tools worth a spot in your toolbox. Number 1. Estwing E316S 16-ounce straight claw hammer. Estwing hammers are widely known as reliable and durable, and this 16-ounce model is an ideal size for a variety of hammering tasks. Unlike wooden or fiberglass handled hammers, this one is constructed of a single piece of steel, making it practically indestructible. Even though it's light enough for basic hammering tasks, the durability also makes it well suited for heavy-duty demolition tasks. Its nylon handle makes it easy to maintain a secure grip while hammering, and also reduces vibrations for a more comfortable feel overall. The straight claw is perfect for prying apart boards or any other high-leverage tasks, and the smooth face won't mar or dent delicate surfaces. Number 2. Swanson Tool Company Incorporated SO101 TC132 Value Pack. Precise measurements are essential for any carpentry project. In addition to your trusty tape measure, this Swanson square set helps prevent any costly calculation mistakes. With the aluminum speed square in your tool belt, you can quickly mark or confirm 90 and 45-degree angles on workpieces, like rafters and stair stringers, and with a little practice, use it as a protractor for marking a range of other angles. The combination square is better suited for precise and finish work, featuring a sliding square head on a ruler, which locks into place at your desired measurement. I used a combination square for years while working at a custom furniture shop, and its ability to lock in a precise measurement was essential for consistently marking the exact same distance on drawer slides and hinges. Number 3. Irwin Quick Grip 6-inch Mini Bar Clamps. A carpenter can never have too many clamps, and these Irwin bar clamps are great for securing smaller workpieces in place while you glue, nail, or screw them together. I've been using this exact model for years, and love the convenience of the one-handed trigger release, especially when working alone. These clamps are also useful for working with finished or delicate workpieces, as their soft plastic jaw pads won't dent or mar the surface. Despite their relatively small size, they're still able to apply 140 pounds of pressure, which is totally fine for light-duty tasks. If your projects are on the larger side, these clamps are also available in 12-inch versions. Reinforced resin bodies and hardened steel bars ensure strength and durability. These clamps feature non-marring pads to protect work surfaces, one-handed quick-release triggers and provide 140 pounds of clamping force. Set includes 4 6-inch one-handed mini bar clamps. Number 4. DeWalt 20 volts Max XR DC D800 D2 Cordless Drill. A cordless drill like this 20 volts DeWalt drills holes as well as drive screws, wildly expanding your carpentry capabilities. I've personally used similar drills for countersinking pilot holes while building custom furniture, and, thanks to the powerful motor, boring large openings with hole saw bits. With a wide range of clutch positions, you can customize the torque applied to your specific application, which is essential for working with delicate wood pieces. This kit also includes 2 batteries, so you won't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of a job. This lightweight, well-balanced drill/driver was built compact to help users comfortably work in tight spaces for extended periods of time. The 3-position, pivoting LED is designed to enhance visibility in dimly lit work areas with its 3-mode settings and up to 70 lumens of brightness. This kit includes 2 DCB203 20 volts Max 2A batteries, charger, belt hook, and kit bag. Number 5. Stanley FatMax 25 featuring tape measure. Regardless of the type of project you have going, a tape measure, like this Stanley FatMax, is absolutely essential. With a 25-foot length and 11-foot standout, the length it can extend without falling, this model is versatile enough for a wide range of uses, and the double-sided hook grabs either the top or bottom of the object being measured. I've used this exact tape measure in the past, and found that it's durable enough to withstand serious abuse, with a heavy-duty rubber case that also provides a comfortable, sturdy grip during use. An extra coating on the tape itself increases the lifespan even more, with the first 6 feet, the most used section, receiving a second layer of protection. Protective full tape blade coating and added blade armor at the hook extends tape life against abrasion and heavy use. Large, easy to read numbers and standard stud markers assure accuracy with the Stanley tape measure.